Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of grade 5th, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine after spending a wonderful weekend. I am Fazana Munawar from Fazaya Inter College, Minhas. I welcome you all in the classroom of social studies. My dear students, first of all, I would appreciate your efforts. You all are doing very well. I'm very happy with your performance. I am much satisfied with your task, with your assignments. Well done. And I hope you all will continue your effort in futures. Well done, students. We are studying Unit 1, Lesson 2, World Climate. Dear student, last week we learned about climate and its effects, climate zones, temperature changes. Today our topic is climate change. This is the burning issue of nowadays. What is climate change? Dear student, climate change is a change in the climatic patterns of a region or a change in climate at global scale. From the mid to late 20th century onward, the increased level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have caused a rise in the temperatures on our planet Earth. Here you can see the picture of our planet Earth. Our planet Earth is not happy with the human activities. Yes, Earth is not happy with our activities because we are polluting our environment. We are burning fossil fuel which are producing smoke, which are producing more poisonous gases. All these gases, all this pollution are increasing the temperature of our planet Earth. That's why our planet Earth is not happy with us. That's why we should discourage all the activities which are responsible for climate change. First of all, we should know what are the main causes of climate change. Yes, what causes climate change? Deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. Dear student, another reason for the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is the number of forests on earth is decreasing. Yes, more and more trees are being cutting to make space for agriculture, houses and factories. Dear students, trees are very important because trees are the lungs of earth. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air. But we are cutting down and we are increasing the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. And pollution also results to an increase greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide around Earth's atmosphere. And these greenhouse gases traps and absorbs atmospheric heat and ultimately causes global warming. Global warming means an increased Earth's surface temperature. Dear student, most of the increase in global temperature observed over the past 50 years is due to human activities. All these activities you can see in the picture. Yes, we are using more vehicle than the past. Now uh, we have much developed and we are making more things in factories. Now factories are more than as before in the past. So we can say that all human activities are responsible for climate change. Now we will discuss what are the main causes of climate change. The first cause of climate change is the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have caused a rise in the temperatures on the planet Earth. Yes, the, why the climate change happens? Because when the quantity of carbon dioxide and other poisonous gases increase in the atmosphere. Here you can see picture of some smoke which is coming out from factories. Yes, this is the burning of fossil fuels. What are the main fossil fuels? Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are the main fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels such as petroleum, coal, and natural gas produces carbon dioxide, and which is the basic element of climate change. Yes, smoke which is coming out of different factory increase the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. In other words, we can say burning of fossil fuels increase the level of carbon dioxide in atmosphere because almost all type of transport run on petrol. Coal is used as energy sources, but they produce carbon dioxide and which increase the temperature of our planet Earth. Smoke and pollution from factories. It is another cause. Smoke and pollution which create different poisonous gases, and these poisonous gases also responsible for climate change. Farm animals release methane from their waste. Yes, my dear students, animals produce methane gas when they digest their food. So our population is increasing day by day. So we are making more animal farms. We are making more cattle farm, and we are also increasing methane gas in our atmosphere, which is also responsible for climate change. And other cause, and the most important factor is, which is the main, I think, the main factor which is responsible for climate change is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees. Yes, it is another reason for increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere because more and more trees are cutting down to make space for agriculture, houses, and factories. As I told you earlier, trees are lungs of Earth. Okay, they produce oxygen and they absorb carbon dioxide. If we will cut down, then we will decrease the amount of oxygen in the air and we will increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. So it is the main reason climate change is that's why climate change happens and the temperature of our planet Earth is increasing day by day. Yes, another factor, agriculture. Yes, we are making spaces for agriculture land, we are cutting trees, and we also use different fertilizer for better production in agriculture. But my dear students, these fertilizer contains nitrogen oxide, which also pollute the environment. So we can say agriculture is another factor to increase the temperature of our planet Earth. Yes, forest fire. Forest fire is also responsible for climate change because as the result of forest fire, lots of carbon dioxide produced and ashes of burned trees also destroy the fertility of soil. So we can say forest fire is also a big factor for climate change. My dear students, here you can say there are your fingerprints. You can say these are the fingerprints, human fingerprints, cooling upper atmosphere, winter warming faster than summer, less oxygen in the air, more heat returning to earth. Yes, these are the activities that we are doing to make our planet more warmer. All these things are the responsible for global warming, for climate change. Yes, more fossil fuel, carbon in environment, nights warming faster than days, pattern of ocean warming, more fossil fuel carbon in coral, more fossil fuel carbon in the air. These are the factors, these are the activities which are done by the man That's why we are increasing the temperature of our beautiful planet Earth. Yes, due to these activities, climate change happens. Some effects of climate change, yes, we are rising sea levels, we have economic losses, we have rising temperature due to the all these factors. Yes, we are facing more and more storms. Yes, more and more forest fire, more animal extinctions, heat cramps, heat exhaustion, heat stroke. All this happens due to the climate change. If we want to overcome the climate change, we should avoid, we should do good for our planet Earth. Okay, now please take all your copies because inshallah tomorrow we will discuss the effect and causes and how can we overcome on this change. What are the main causes and effect of this change happens and how can we overcome on this change. Okay, now take out your copies please. It's diary time. Take out your copies and homework for 6, 7, 20. First question. What is climate change? Yes, what is climate change? Climate change is a change in the climatic pattern of a region or on a global scale. Second question, what kind of human activities are responsible for climate change? Yes, tell me. What are the activities which are responsible for climate change? We discussed all. Yes, burning of fossil fuel. Yes, agriculture. Yes, burning of fossil fuels, agriculture, deforestation, manufacture of cement, chemicals. All these factors are responsible for climate change. I hope you all will understand the concept. Now you will write all these questions in your copy and I will also send you the PDF of these question answer. Okay, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, I will be back tomorrow with a new lesson. Allah Hafiz and enjoy your day. Okay, Allah Hafiz, students.